Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis is visiting the Mumbai-Goa highway that collapsed last night. The Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis is at the spot for a review. Remember, 20 people are missing after that mishap. Coast Guard, Navy, everybody pressed into action to look for the 20 missing people. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis there in the visuals at the spot where the bridge collapse happened. Pankaj Khelkar is now joining us with more details. Pankaj, even as the Chief Minister visits the spot of the accident, any word on the 20 missing people?
So still the word is that where are the 20 missing people, where are the two buses and where are the other vehicles that are said to be have fallen from this bridge that collapsed yesterday night. Now when the Chief Minister visited the spot, he was here for a few minutes, and after having a look and after talking to the district administration, the district magistrate, he then spoke with the media and he said that a thorough inquiry has been ordered, that who is at fault, that will be seen. Apart from that, he has also said that an audit will be conducted of all the old bridges throughout the state so that such a mishap doesn't happen. Apart from this, he said that the NDRF team and other teams are working very hard, but the current is so strong because of the incessant rains that they are finding it difficult to track or locate the vehicles and other things. He also mentioned it that till now they haven't found any body of any passengers from the bus or from the vehicle. He has also said that a huge magnet weighing 300 kgs has been brought by the NDRF so that it can attract metal in the water, and that will be lowered. The divers will be going there. We have also seen that the divers were there. They were trying to go in the strong current, but they were finding it difficult. And same thing was repeated by the Chief Minister, that the operation continues and they will do their best to locate the vehicles as soon as possible.
Pankaj, help us understand prima facie why did this bridge collapse? What are the initial reports suggesting?
See, the initial reports, whatever we spoke with the district administration or the guardian minister over here, he said, the district magistrate, she also explained that this bridge being very old, it has been constructed in the British era, maybe more than 70 years old, and the construction quality, and also that the traveling itself, due to the heavy flooding, the bridge might have collapsed due to the wear and tear and after so many years of construction. Apart from this, it is also known that the British companies who have constructed these bridges of such types, they have been intimating or they have been warning or sending letters to the district administration of that particular district that such bridges shouldn't be used. But whether the district administration are following these norms will come out only when a proper inquiry is conducted, and that's what is being assured by the Chief Minister.
Well, it seems on the face of it a clear case of negligence and carelessness, where we are seeing an old bridge constructed over 70 years ago still being used despite the wear and tear. The bridge was not managed properly. The upkeep was poor perhaps, and that is why we've seen it collapse in a manner where 20 people are still missing. Pankaj Khelkar there getting us all the very latest. Well, over 20 people have been reported missing after that mishap that took place late on Tuesday night at the Mumbai-Goa highway. Let's get an overview of the colossal damage and the rescue operations that are in place even as 20 people are still missing.
A British-era bridge pulverized by the late-night incessant rains and profusely swollen Savitri River. The Mahad Bridge, situated at the Mumbai-Goa highway, was washed away without leaving any trace, sweeping away 2 buses and 2 cars with estimated 22 passengers on board.
सावित्री रिवर जो है वो पूरे उफान के साथ बह रही है और उसमें बोट का चलाना भी बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है. ऐसी स्थिति में डाइवर्स को भेजना वहां पे थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी हमारी टीम वहां लगी हुई है.
India today was the first to reach ground zero. We saw the dilapidated condition of the bridge, which remained untouched as the rescue teams failed to reach on time.
Currently, we are in Mahad village on Mumbai-Goa highway. Behind us is the bridge over the Savitri River, which has washed away by the pressure of rains yesterday night at around 11:15 p.m.
The rescue teams immediately sprung into action once the weather allowed them. Inflatable rafts were seen carrying divers to search for the missing and even a fragment of the missing vehicles.
There is a rescue operation which has started behind us. You can see there are boats which now are being deployed in the river. You can see the flow of river is very humongous, and it is facing, giving a tough time to the people who are trying to rescue and trace the missing people.
The NDRF teams were made to launch a rigorous search operation. The Navy and the Indian Air Force were not far behind in lending their services. The IF chopper and Coast Guard Chetak helicopters were engaged instantaneously.
Now the NDRF teams have reached the spot. As you can see, these are the rafts, the boats which they will soon be in the river, and they'll try to locate people who are missing. At this point of time, the authorities claim that there are more than 22 people who are missing.
The search operations are still underway, and the hopes of rescuing the missing alive is gradually dimming.